Well, and in this story, it's the Illuminati. So how does that factor fiction?
Well, the Illuminati was a real organization that survived briefly. It was an attempt, actually, to create a society of the illumined ones, of those that were illuminated. That was your chair, right?
Yes. Please continue. Excellent point.
Should I turn the fan on?
So anyway,
It was awful.
which one was the angel and which one was the demon in that one?
There.